Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open a browser which you use. Then you have to tap here, open history, then tap clear browsing data, select time period, past hour, past day, past week, past month, and all time. Then you have to select data types like browsing history, cookie and site, cache, and other things, and tap on clear data. And that's it. Now your history is clear. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.